Hey, welcome back to Jaztime. Jaztime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you purchase your next watch from us at Jaztime.com. Today we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 36. This one, new model from 2021, reference number 126233. This one with a golden palm dial, yellow gold fluted bezel on a Jubilee bracelet. All right, I'll be going over all of the aspects listed, including the case, the bezel, the dial, crown functions, the movement, as well as this bracelet. I'll be giving you my thoughts throughout this video. So starting off with this case, 36 millimeters from finger to thumb, 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock, or 10 to 4. Same distance, same measurement, same diameter, 36 millimeters. You have the monoblock middle case with the screw down case back and the Rolex winding crown to ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. And taking a look at the construction here, all oyster steel here for the case, nicely high polished, giving it that extremely highly reflective look while maintaining its strength in equal measure. On the front of this case, nice yellow gold fluted bezel. This is what gives it the Rolzor or two-tone look. The yellow gold being a mixture of gold with oyster steel to make it nice and strong and still have it appear very beautiful and let it, reflect light all around the room in very, distinctive fashion. Originally, it was made to screw onto the front of the case to ensure waterproofness, but, modern advances have made that rather not necessary anymore. So it's there as a mark of distinction, and they always make it in gold. So in this case, yellow gold to match the dial as well as the bracelet here. And speaking of this dial, you have 18 karat yellow gold applied index markers with chromalite on them. If I turn out the lights, you can see the time very easily. You can see the position of the minute and hour hands also extremely well. A nice blue tint to that chromalite look. All right. And then with the lights back on, you can also see that on the peripheral of this dial, there's also the chaptering. So you can see the minute markings on there, so you can set the time nicely and easily. You have the center mounted hour and minute hands with that center mounted second hand as well. Also on this dial, the palm motif, probably my favorite aspect of this dial. It has the sun ray finishing sort of behind this very nice matte finishing of all these leaves. And it's actually not too busy, easily recognizable from its looks and from just about any angle. All right, and as I move it through the light box, you can actually see how easy it is to recognize the palm motif. It gives it a nice sort of Mediterranean feel to the look. All right, and speaking of this dial, you can actually adjust everything by using the crown. So the crown works just like this. Simply unwind it at the 3 o'clock position. This allows you to wind the watch. If you're at a dead stop, about 20 to 30 full winds is all you need to get to the full power reserve. Pull out to the next position. You can actually advance the date by 1. It's about a quarter turn to advance the date. So nice and easy there. The only days you'll need to adjust this manually is on the 30-day months as well as February, because you'll always tick to the 31st, but that's rather easy. Just simply move it over whenever you need to. Nice and easy. It'll be on the 1st of the next month when you set it. Pull the crown out to the final position. Note that the seconds hand does in fact stop, so you have that hacking seconds function. You can then adjust the minute hand and by extension the hour hand, and you can then adjust and place it precisely wherever it needs to go based on the position of that seconds hand, and wait for an atomic clock to roll around. When it's synchronized up, press it in to start up that seconds hand, nice and easy. And also don't forget to wind the crown tightly back against the case to ensure that superior water resistance. So what makes all of this work is the caliber 3235 in-house made by Rolex. Can't see it through the case back, but you do have that added security of the solid steel all the way through there. You have the plus or minus 2 second per day time differential after casing, which means that you do have an extremely highly precise module on the inside keeping the time. As printed on every Rolex dial, you have the superlative chronometer certification from that. You have the center hour, minute, and seconds hands with the instantaneous date with the rapid setting, as well as the stop seconds for precise time setting. All those features of which I had just demonstrated. The oscillator on the inside is paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring. That means that you can get relatively close to magnets. It also has high performance Paraflex shock absorbers, meaning that you can take a few bumps here and there and it won't affect the timekeeping ability of the watch. All right, so you can get relatively close to circuitry, take a few bumps, you're good to go. And it also has a bidirectional self-winding rotor on the inside. That means that simply wearing this on your wrist will make that rotor spin around, and it will actually wind up the watch automatically just by wearing it. You have approximately 70 hours of power reserve, so it's simply just wearing it for one whole day will actually wind it all the way without using the manual wind capability of the crown. When you can set this down on Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday morning, ready to conduct business and look good while doing it. No need to wind the watch, right? If you wear this every other day, that works just as well. While I'm zoomed out here, you can see that this is a Jubilee bracelet, 5-piece links across, the center 3 links being a high polished yellow gold with the outer links being a satin brush finish, giving it that nice sense of contrast, really accentuating the yellow gold much better. And they also have a high polish along their sides as well. Gentle taper down to the folding clasp with the raised Rolex logo there. Simply lift the top to open it, nice and easy to unhook it. You also have the Rolex stamped logo on the inside, as well as all the hallmarks to show you that you're dealing with steel. And underneath the clasp here, if you have this watch sized perfectly to your wrist, well, there will be times when your wrist will swell. For example, you pound 2 liters of water, you step outside during a California wildfire, and, well, your wrist will certainly swell. Not so much that you won't be able to remedy that by using the EasyLink 5mm extension. Simply reach under here, press it, or pull it straight out. And there you go, another Jubilee link, or basically a half Oyster link, exactly 5mm. All you need to do when you're done with it is just fold it back in on itself and snap it back into the clasp there, nice and easy. While I'm here, I can also try it on and give you my thoughts as to how it wears on the wrist. 36mm, my favorite, you already know. Simply look at the 12 and 6 o'clock sides. You can see a very good framing of the watch case by the bracelet, and certainly with this dial, absolutely beautiful face on. Even though it's all basically one color, all gold, all yellow gold, you can still see, you can tell what time it is just by glancing at it very quickly. And even though you would think that the palm fronds are actually making it very busy, it's all in the micro adjustments on how they made those matte surfaces, the sun ray brushed dial there behind it, so that you can still read this at literally any angle very easily with the raised 18 karat, well, not really raised, they're applied 18 karat index markers, so you can read the time very easily, so easily in fact. And you also know that, you know, my favorite being the 36mm case fits very nicely on my wrist. A little bit of overhang, but that's perfect because I do like having a little bit of extra breathing underneath the lugs here, even though, you know, the Jubilee bracelet gives me plenty of wrist breathing as well, plenty of venting. If I take this off my wrist, you're not going to see a band of sweat. Also, the links here are super zero tolerance basically, so that means they're not going to pinch your skin, they're not going to pull any hairs out. It's extremely comfortable to wear, feels very good on the outside, even better on the inside on the wrist. You got to try one on for yourself if you haven't already. And enough of what I think. What do you guys think about this watch? Let us know down in the comments below what you think about this Rolex Datejust 36 palm motif with the golden dial, gold, yellow gold, fluted bezel, and the two-tone Jubilee bracelet. Let us know down in the comments below of this 126233 reference number, and be sure to like this video. If you haven't already, subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video like this one. And as always, if you'd like to purchase this watch, new, used, we can get these now in 2021, later 2021, certainly next year, much easier to get. And certainly we can get them new, used, at the best price online just visit our website, Jaztime.com. Links in the description below where you can get it. You can see also high-res images there as well before you purchase. And make sure you get now before, well, the price goes up even more. All right, we'll see you in the next video, and take care.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at Jaztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jaztime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.